watch this video and learn how to draw this. Wow! And later in the show, we're all going to sing a song together. I love singing. Get your art tools. It's time for Artie's Show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, hello, little artist. Artie didn't see you there. Hello, and welcome to my show. I'm Artie. Well, today we're going to do a drawing, but Artie doesn't know what to draw. No, I can't think of anything. Can you think of anything, little artist? Shout at the screen. What should Artie draw today? I can't hear you. Shout louder. Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, we'll draw that. All right, let's get ready.
How wonderful to see everyone today.
It sure is. Thanks for coming back.
Well, I think we're about ready to start. I want you to watch Artie really carefully and follow along. Everything I draw, you draw, and you won't be able to go wrong. It's going to be awesome!
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Keep watching, little artists. It's nearly time for a song. It's time we had a little rest and sang a song. Don't you think so, little artists? Yeah? Okay. Are we ready? Let's do it. Let's have a song break.
Yo, ho, ho, Santa's got beats. Let's go, let's go. Betty Brush, Bunny Fluff and Tim, Bobby Bananas, Artie in the mix. Betty Brush painted bows on the gift so neat. Artie's got the playlist dropping that beat. Bunny Fluff and Sand hopping, rapping paper fly. Bobby Bananas peeling jokes, cracking pie in the sky. Elves on a coffee break, sipping eggnog lattes. Reindeer out front, bumping sleigh ride all day. Snowflakes dropping like the baseline thump. Wrap it up quick, hear the sleigh bells jump. Wrap it up, wrap it tight, jingle all the way. Betty, Bunny, Bobby, Artie, party every sleigh. Wrap it up, wrap it quick, Christmas Eve delight. Paper, tape, and ribbon, yo, we slay tonight. Bobby Bananas juggling fruitcake stacks. Betty Brush yelling, yo, we need more snacks. Bunny Fluff and Tim with scissors in the party. DJ spinning records, breaking every law. Gift tags flying like a snowball fight. Santa's in the workshop saying keep it tight. Tape stuck to my fingers, bows won't stick, but we rapping with rhythm, making magic real quick. Wrap it up, wrap it tight, jingle all the way. Betty, Bunny, Bobby, Artie, party every sleigh. Wrap it up, wrap it quick, Christmas Eve delight. Paper, tape, and ribbon, yo, we slay tonight.
Oh, that was a really good song. Now let's carry on with the drawing. Isn't this looking good, little artist? I'm not even finished and I'm really pleased with it. Oh, I think I'm finished. Oh, it looks so good. I'm really pleased with it. Do you like it, little artist? Oh, good. Now there's one thing missing. Colour. Should we colour it in? Yeah, come on, let's colour it.
It's my favorite time. It's time to color it in.
I'm finished. Oh, wow, it came out really, really good. I love the colour and the shapes. Oh, I'm so proud of this one. Ah, really, really nice.
Goodbye, Artie!
Hey kids, have a great day.
Well, little artist, that's the end of the show. I hope you had fun watching me draw and watching us sing and having a really good time. We hope to see you again. Please watch soon. Bye-bye and have an Artie day.